Are you looking for the best 12 volts battery isolators? In this video, we will break down the top 4 best 12 volts battery isolators on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Blue Sea Systems Add a Battery Kit. This package consists of a separate switch and isolator unit. The switch itself is a large rotary dial with clear labeling. Options include off with the arrow pointing straight up, on pointing to the right, and combined pointing down. Thanks to the 12 by 24 volts DC 120A charging relay, batteries automatically combine during charging. It will also automatically isolate the batteries during engine cranking and when there is no charging. Because of this technology, the charge between two batteries can be shared more efficiently than standard isolators. Tin-plated copper studs are used to provide maximum conductivity. Additionally, this helps to prevent corrosion. Perfect for use in either a 4WD or boat, as they are often exposed to various elements and environments. At number 2. WirthCo 1213 1241 20092 Battery Doctor. This is pretty close to state-of-the-art equipment. This dual battery controller is ideal for basically any vehicle that has an auxiliary battery. It is somewhat smaller and lighter than similarly powered controllers, which probably reflects the automotive spirit of this device. It is highly portable, measuring 5.1 into 5.7 into 2.3 inches, and weighing pretty close to 1 pound. It's basically like a tremendously thick smartphone. This is also IP62 water resistant, which makes it suitable for outdoor use. It offers priority charging for starting up a battery, and will automatically charge any auxiliary battery you connect. It can also offer a manual override solution for starting a kit from scratch. At number 3. KeyLine Chargers 140 amp Dual Battery Isolator. It is hard to be well acquainted with an impressive yet captivating battery isolator. But this one has earned hearts. This model maintains an amperage output in an awe-inspiring way, which is impossible with other devices. The VSR holds a charged battery for a longer duration. It features a dual battery isolator that is 140 amp. And it is enough for setting a dual battery system. Moreover, it offers the ability to separate each battery's power source using this single alternator. It features a 2-foot battery grounding cable and 20-foot battery cable, which is in black and later one in red color. It has also a compact size of around 2.6 into 2.6 into 2 inches to fit in different places easily. At number 4. Corp 12 volts Dual Battery 140A Smart Isolator. This is ultra simple yet still technologically advanced VSR, is ready for use in any 4WD, boat, RV, or any other area, and an additional battery is required. In the package, you receive the isolator unit, some mounting hardware, and an instruction booklet. Connections are made at the rear of the device, and it is compact enough to be mounted almost anywhere. Although this looks very basic, the isolator will sense both batteries. If either one is receiving a charge, it will allow charging of both. Once no more current is being supplied, it will isolate them. This isn't an old-fashioned isolator that uses diodes to reduce the amount of current and requires large heat sinks. Instead, a relay is used that can open and close with no energy loss due to internal resistance.